Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, heated seats, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.